In today's video, I will teach you how to customize your own Facebook ad in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keywords Facebook ad. Here, there are thousands of templates to choose from, but you can filter out the design that you like by enabling the different filter options on the sidebar. You can also start from scratch and create your own design by clicking on the plus icon on the first row of the templates. But once you've found your desired template, you can now go ahead and open it and customize it. To add another page to your design, simply click on the Add Page button and the design template will automatically apply onto the next page. But if you would like to use a different design on the next page, simply click on the page that you would like to change and select the new design on the Templates tab. To add different elements, simply open the Elements tab and drag the illustrations, graphics, and frames to your canvas. And to add text, simply drag the text presets from the Text tab. And to upload your own logo or audio or video, simply open the Uploads tab to upload your own media. And once you're satisfied with the design, you can now save it to your computer or upload it directly to your Facebook account. To do so, click on the Share button and select Share on Social. Here, select Facebook page and you will be redirected to your Facebook account to post it. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.